This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rafael Cabrera. Charming family home in Lehigh Acres. Located at 821 Casino Avenue, Lehigh Acres, Florida 33971, this beautifully updated home is listed at $354,999. Boasting a modern open floor plan, this residence features 3 spacious bedrooms plus a versatile den, perfect for an office or playroom. Recent upgrades include a new roof, 2018, and a state-of-the-art air conditioner system, 2024, ensuring comfort and peace of mind. Elegant tile flooring flows throughout, and the kitchen is a chef's dream with stunning granite countertops. The master suite offers 2 generous walk-in closets and a luxurious master bath. Enjoy the convenience of a laundry room equipped with built-in cabinets, along with a 2-car garage featuring a sink and additional storage solutions. The entire property is fully fenced, providing privacy and security, and includes a built-in outlet for connecting a generator in case of emergencies. Ideally situated close to shops and essential services, this home offers both comfort and convenience. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. For more information,